Hey, Vincius here. Let's talk about the technical levels of drone video shots. On a camera drone, beside the camera tilt, there are 4 axes to move the drone's body. Throttle is to control the altitude, yaw to change the drone's facing direction, pitch and roll to change the drone's position in the horizontal level. Since we are now defining the technical levels of controlling the drone camera, I would like to merge the pitch and roll together as one horizontal movement. So there are throttle, yaw, pitch and roll, and another one to tilt the camera. The complexity of combination is literally the difficulty of the video shot. But please remember, a difficult shot doesn't equal to a better shot. A simple static shot could be beautiful too. Level 1, aka beginner level, includes static shot and one direction movement shot. Take a static shot is so easy. Just hover the drone in the air and hit record button. It could be a car passing by or a time-lapse sunset. In this level, you should know how to take a shot while making only one directional move at a time. It could be a tilt, pan, up and down, or pitch and roll. By pitching and rolling the drone at the same time sounds like 2 directions, but pitch and roll are on the same right stick, so you should just picture in the way you want to go and push the right stick to that direction. But always be aware, the more you push the stick, the faster your drone goes, so controlling the pushing amount is very important. Level 2, aka medium level. Combine any of the 2 directions together at the same time makes you really start to think about controlling the camera. For example, throttle up plus roll left, or tilt the camera up and yaw the drone right. One of the most frequent used shot in this category is arc shot, which orbits a certain subject around. To do an arc shot, just roll the drone to the left and yaw right, or the other way around. Start from combining 3 different directions at the same time, making it more challenging to control. For example, while moving your drone to one horizontal direction by pushing the right stick, plus yaw and camera tilt. Different combination creates different feeling. Giving the right amount of pushing is the key of making the shot perfect. Level 3, aka Pro level. Use all 4 movements simultaneously is the most difficult video shot to do on the drone. Again, not just pushing all the buttons at the same time, but pushing them all together at all the right amount. Level 4, aka FPV level. FPV drone is designed for maneuverability and speed. On the maneuver side, the normal camera drone has a body angle limit around 35 degrees, so you can't look straight up to the sky, and you cannot take any rolling shot over 35 degrees. But these are what FPV drones can do. On the speed side, FPV drone is much faster than the camera drones, so it's easy to quickly approach an object from a long distance without changing the video speed in post-production. And the throttle on FPV drone is totally different design from a camera drone. You can shoot your drone to the sky like a rocket or let it free fall in the air. So it's possible to make some dynamic shots which a camera drone cannot do. But there is no auto hover in the air for FPV drones, so it is very hard to control because everything is manual. Above, from easy to crazy, are the technical levels of drone video shots from me. But still, technical only means the difficulty of the shot. A simple shot could be beautiful too. Take a look at your previous drone footage. Let me know what level you are.